Take a ride in the 2015 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, body color door handles, tire pressure monitoring system, front stabilizer bar, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. Come take a test drive today.